Most data on the internet is temporary. Web pages vanish, links break, cloud providers often delete inactive accounts, and subscription storage can be deleted if you miss a payment. Even hardware backups degrade or get lost. That's not resilience, that's risk. Enter permanent data storage. But what is it? Meet Arweave. With Arweave, files are written to a decentralized network and stored permanently. Here's how it works. When you upload data to Arweave, you pay a one-time fee. That cost goes into an economic endowment that incentivizes a global network of storage providers to keep your files accessible for at least 200 years, and likely much longer. Unlike Dropbox, Google Drive, or even IPFS, Arweave is designed to preserve content without recurring payments. The easiest and fastest way to use Arweave? ArDrive. ArDrive is an intuitive way to store files with Arweave, giving you a user-friendly way to upload, encrypt, organize, and share files. No subscriptions, no deletions, just long-term decentralized file storage that anyone can access. For creators, developers, archivists, and anyone who cares about long-term data access, ArDrive changes everything. Permanent storage is here. Start using it today with ArDrive and save what matters most.